Hello guys, today we are going to perform our third practical of Python. That is, we are going to see the different operators in Python. Okay. First of all, I am going to perform this practical using script mode. Okay. So I have already created a script. Okay. So I'll just going to show you that script. Uh, so this is okay. So this is a program. So here we are going to see the different operators. Okay, of second practical. I have already performed all this program, and there is another one file. There is also one program is there. Okay, so see here, this program is belongs to, that is, convert US dollars to Indian rupees. Okay, so I have considered that whatever we can say, whatever the input of the user, I have already very what we can say, specify the variable, that is dollar. I am collecting the input from user. Okay, and then I am going to multiply it. I have considered that the dollar value is 64. I am multiply it, and it is directly converted into the rupees. So I am directly going to show that the amount of dollars in rupees are like this. Okay, so this is first program. Second one is for square root of a number. Okay, so we are directly going to show the square root of a number. We have collecting input from a user. Okay, then we are going to perform the square root. So we just specify the number, and directly I have directly specify the formula for square root. Okay, so it is directly going to perform a square root. Next is that is area of rectangle. So here I have specified two variables, that is width and height. I have collecting two inputs from user. Okay, I have applied the formula here. I am using the multiplication operator. Okay, and then afterwards the area of that particular what we can say, whatever the result of that particular operation is going to be stored in area, and that particular area is going to be print over here. This is our third program. Next is we are going to swapping the values of two variables. So we are collecting the values in two variables. We are collecting extra temporary variable, and we are going to perform this swapping here. That is, we are collecting the value of x in temporary variable. We are collecting value of y in x, and afterward we are transferring the value of temporary variable to the y. So these values are swapped, and after that we are directly going to print the swapped value of these particular two variables. Okay, so next is area and perimeter of a square. Okay, so see, this we have already selected, or we can say take a input from a user for taking a side value. Then we are finding the area, then we are finding the perimeter. Okay, so we are going to show the area also, and we are going to show the perimeter also. Okay, so now finally this is the another program, that is a surface and area of a cylinder. So we have taken a value for pi. Okay, then we are taking the value for a radian of a cylinder. Okay, so taking as an input, and then taking a height of for that cylinder, and this is also we are taking as an input from a user. Then we are specifying a formula here. Okay, finding the surface of area for the cylinder, then finding the this is another formula, finding the volume of a cylinder. Okay, then we are calculating it, and value is going to be collected in these variables, and finally we are going to print that values or what we can say, values through this variable. Okay, so this is first program, that is practical, that are what we can say, our third practical. And this is a, another program, that is wait for a minute. Here we are going to find out whether number is even or not. So that's why we are taking. So just we'll see with we'll finish with this operator first. So here to execute this, we just need to find the path. Okay. So for finding the path, just right click on this and go to the properties. Select this path from the location. Okay. Just click on it and just copy that path. Go to the command line. Okay. First change the directory. Okay. Now we are shifted to the D drive. Now just change the location. Just right click on it. Okay. And just paste the address. So here what we can say, our path is set. Now we have to execute that file. Just click Python. Then what is our file name? That is prac2.py. So see, please enter the value of dollars. So I have inserted the value, that is 6. Okay. So it is going to the values in rupees, that is 384. Okay. Next we have to find the square root of a number. So I have entered 25. So it is going to show me the result, that is 5. If you want to find the area of rectangular, so I have just entered the width of rectangle, that is 5, and height of rectangle, that is 6. So it is going to show me the result, that is the area of rectangle is 30. If you want to swap the values of that variable, so first just wait a minute guys, first enter the value, that is 8 for x variable and 9 for y variable. After swapping, it is showing the value for x is 9 and for y is 8. Okay. Next is area and perimeter of a square. So for side I am inserting 6. So it is showing me the area of rectangle, that is 36, and area of perimeter for rectangle is 24. Okay. So surface and area of cylinder. So first we are inserting the radian, that is 6, and height, that is 8. Okay. So it is going to be show the surface area for the cylinder will be 1728, and the volume for that cylinder is 864. Okay. So this is our program which is belongs to our practical number 3, that is different what we can say, use of different operators in Python. Okay. So this is the third practical. So we'll stop here and we'll see the different conditional statements in Python in our fourth practical. Okay. So we'll stop here guys. Thank you.